How to buy Binance Coin BNB cryptocurrency beginners tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and having an amazing day. So I bring you back with another crypto topic, and in this video, what will I be showing you? I will be showing you how you can buy Binance Coin or BNB token, which is a form of cryptocurrency that was originated from the Binance website. I'm going to show you the websites through which you can buy this, and it's going to be very easy. It's going to be a small guide. It may look complex because all the websites are complicated, but I'm going to take you through it all. I'm going to guide you through, and it's going to be very easy, very simple steps, and by the end of this video, you're going to be able to buy BNBs. So let's get started. First of all, to familiarize you with what BNB is, I'm going to type here BNB, and here, as we can see, here's the chart of BNB. So we can see that the market summary of a Binance coin is right now for one BNB token goes off for $290. So yeah, BNB, once BNB was created on Binance, it gained a lot of popularity. BNB was created because obviously Binance needed a token to run its ecosystem and infrastructure, and they created BNB. So we can check what was the highest BNB price. So obviously the all-time high was a $690. So it's been there for a while. And if we check how BNB is doing today, so the live price of BNB, as we saw, is $290, and the current market cap is 43.29 billion US dollars. So there is a lot of potential for BNB. And if we see, what does BNB stand for in crypto? Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency that can be used to trade and pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. And the Binance exchange, as we all know, is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. So that is the basic overview and definition of what BNB really is. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see how we can go ahead and buy. So obviously the three most famous websites to buy any type of cryptocurrency are Coinbase, Binance itself, and Kraken. And I'm going to be showing you how you can buy and stake and trade all the BNB you want on Coinbase and Binance, because these two are the easiest and the most professional platforms out there. I don't use Kraken a lot, and I would recommend that you would also use either Coinbase or Binance. So first of all, we're going to need to go and get into Coinbase.com. Now, once we arrive at Coinbase.com, what we're going to need to make sure is that our account is fully accessible, fully set it up, fully verified, and we have put in our wallet, our PayPal, our verification status, and we've done everything we can, because to buy any type of asset, we need to make sure the account is fully accessible. So what we're going to do after we've done creating our account is we're going to go on trade. Now, once we go on trade, it's going to show us a whole market of different types of cryptocurrencies. So once you see this load up, here you can see there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ethereum 2, Tether. If you come down here on the fifth position, there is the BNB. So here you can see this price is in my fiat currency, but in your fiat currency, you'll see it as $290. So yeah, we can see BNB right here. And if you want to get into detail, you can just go in advanced. For example, if you want to see what it goes against the best. So we're just going to just click right here, BNB. So once you've seen this over here in the simple tab, we're just going to click on it. And once we click on it, we're going to see different kind of information regarding BNB. For example, you can come here and you can see the graph of how BNB really is doing. For example, in the last 24 hours, you can see it went quite down, but then it just keeps rising, because BNB is on a good rise right now, and it's a good thing to invest in my opinion. And if you see it on all time, you can see that it went to a big high at a time, but obviously it came down, but still the price is pretty good, and I'd recommend that you invest in this. So over here you can see again, Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. And down here you can see different stories regarding Binance, etc. So now I'm going to show you how you can buy Binance Coin. So you're going to go on buy and sell, and once you go on buy and sell, you're going to see a nice little interface like this. Now, you're going to tell them what you want to buy. So you're going to write BNB here. So once you write BNB, so you're just gonna go and buy and sell. You're gonna write BNB. You're gonna give in your information, and then you're gonna purchase it. That's how simple it is. And once you've purchased it, you're gonna go to your assets, and right down here, you're gonna see all your Binance coins or BNB. You're gonna see them right here, and from here you can trade it, sell it, withdraw it, whatever you like. You can even draw it towards your wallet, your PayPal. You can turn it into your fiat currency, and it's that easy. Or you could trade it to your Binance wallet, which we're going to get into right now. So this was basically how you can do it on Coinbase. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on Binance. So we're going to write Binance. We're going to go on this link right here, binance.com. So once it loads up, I need you to make sure again that you're fully set it up on Binance, because Binance takes a lengthy process in verifying you. It takes your bank account, your details, your debit card, everything. And I'm pretty sure that when you put in a bank account, it asks you to verify the bank account. So you're going to need to, I think, send around $1 or $2 from your bank to Binance to verify that it's really you. So, once you've done all that, in Binance, it's much easier to buy because obviously it's Binance's own currency. So we're just going to go over here in whatever way we want to buy. So you can go on credit debit card. And once that happens, we're just going to wait for this to load up. So once you're over here, what you can do is you're going to choose your fiat currency. For example, if you're in euros, you're going to put in your fiat currency, for example, 78 euros. And then you're going to go down here and you're going to click whatever currency you want. So over here, just they have Binance. We're going to click on that. And yeah, if you write the amount of currency you have provided, for example, I am ready to provide 100 euros. In 100 euros, I can get 0.346977 BNBs. So once you do that, obviously I don't have my account fully set it up, but if you do, you're going to have order here or buy now, and you're just going to click on that and the crypto instantly is sent to your card. So that's how easy it is to buy Binance coins. You can also sell them over here if you like, but obviously for that, you need to get into the advanced, and if you want to know how to do that, just let me know down in the comments, and I'm gonna upload a tutorial for that too. And this is for credit card, debit card. Obviously you can even deposit into your bank if you want to, but yeah, that's the gist of it. Now I'm gonna show you Binance Convert and Spot. So we're gonna first see what Binance Convert is. Binance Convert is, for example, if you have Bitcoins and you want to convert them into some other currency. For example, you want Binance coins, but you don't have Binance coins and you have BUSD. So you can take whatever amount of BUSD you have and you can convert it into Binance coins. So once you do that, you can easily convert, and those will be stored in your Binance wallet or your credit or debit card wallet, and that's how easy it is to convert. But obviously that was conversion. Now if we go on Spot, Spot is obviously with all the candle charts and stuff, and this is where the technicalities begin. And in these technicalities, obviously you're gonna need to learn how candle charts work, and I have a video uploaded of that on my channel, and you can make sure to go and check it out because it's a very easy tutorial and I explain it in the easiest way possible. So yeah, once you see the candle chart video and you know how they work, you're just gonna come up here and you're gonna see these top searches of BNBs. So obviously the best pair it goes against is BNB and BUSD. So you're just gonna click on that and you're gonna see the candle chart for that. And once you see the candle chart, you're gonna see the different times of when it was. For example, if I go right here, you can see that at this time, the BNB by BUSD is going at a good rate. Like, it's not at a bad rate. For example, $293. It has its highs and lows. It doesn't go too low, though. It keeps going high. So you're just going to see the different time you want to trade it or sell it at. And then you're going to come down here. And then you're going to put in the amount you want to buy. And once you do that, they're gonna give you a buy now over here. Once you've fully set it up your account, you're gonna buy now, and the funds are directly gonna go to your Binance wallet, and that's how easy it is. So yeah, if you want to know any other tutorials or any other help from me, you can tell me down in the comments below. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know again in the comments below. I'll get back to you ASAP. And I hope this video was easy for you. And I'll leave you with that. And I hope you all have a great day. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. It helps me a lot. And leave a nice comment if you like the video. And yeah, that's basically pretty much it. Thank you and goodbye.